Hi guys, my name is Riya Ramnani and welcome to my channel. So this video will relate to all the people living in hostels and flats right now and are actually living on a trolley basis. Yes, we will never ever have the right outfit for the right moment at the right time because वो outfit हमारे घर पे पड़ा होगा. So this video is about all the jugados who will do anything to make it happen. So in this video, I'm going to pick one item from the wardrobe, and today by default, I'm going to pick bodysuit and I'm going to revamp it. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to revamp the bodysuit in 5 different ways. Let's get started.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. Wang, wang,
Hello Ji again. So if you guys liked my video, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, hit like button and tell me in the comments what other items you want me to revamp. So till then, bye, take care.